Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Regional markets are mostly higher amid expectations easy monetary policy will continue in the US without major disruptions following a flurry of news reports that Barack Obama has secured enough votes to retain the presidency. AFP reports that with a clutch of swing states, including Florida and Virginia, still to be declared, Obama already had 275 electoral votes, more than the 270 needed for the White House, and looks set for a comfortable victory. In FX markets, the dollar is weaker with investors sensing a US election victory for monetary easing advocate President Barack Obama. The US dollar Japanese yen is at 80.10 from 80.36 late Tuesday in New York. The euro US dollar is at 1.2863 from 1.2816, and the euro Japanese yen is at 103.03 from 102.99. With the presidential race out of the way, investors will next focus on the forthcoming US fiscal cliff, a wrenching set of decisions over tax and spending issues. Gold turned around earlier losses, rising $7.20 to $1,722.90 an ounce. Many markets spent much of the early session in negative territory, but picked up slightly after the results were called. Australia's ASX 200 strengthened its earlier gains to end the day up 0.7% at 4,516.60, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index turned positive, rising 0.4%. Other markets were more subdued. Japan's Nikkei was up just 0.1% as the stronger yen kept gains, while South Korea's Kospi was just 0.1% higher, moderating after rising 1.1% on Tuesday. As the dust begins to settle after last night's election and with event risk out of the way for now, we take a look at the most important macroeconomic indicators due out in the US and Europe today. German industrial production. Industrial production in Germany is forecast to decline by 0.6% in September after falling 0.5% in August, according to analysts' estimates. But year-on-year industrial production is expected to grow by 0.8% from -1.4%. German industry has fared better in the last 3 months as the economy rides the current global economic slowdown surprisingly well compared to other large economies. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.